Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for gold for Tuesday, July 2nd, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today in a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. Previous day's trading we had establishment of that new first time frame uptrend on a fairly bullish candle, a white body candle. Today we've seen that bullishness evaporate. A black body candle, and that does suggest that the buyers have lost quite some momentum. They had built some momentum in net terms and as I've mentioned yesterday, the amount of momentum that they had for the previous day's trading was quite less than the previous day's trading, but still that momentum was to the upside. That lack of momentum, or that loss of momentum, did suggest there was potential for a change of trend. Now we're seeing that the sellers have gained some downside momentum in net terms with a black body candle, so the sellers have made net bearish progress as opposed to the buyers for the two previous trading days. We've also seen the sellers close with control of this market by closing the market down towards the low, and they've closed with fairly strong control, and that does suggest that there is good potential for a change of trend back to the downside. So we do need to watch the area around the 1237.9 level, which held as support for today's trading, and it has potential to hold for tomorrow's trading. And if we do see some early bearish activity down below there, we could see the market quickly trading down to 1218. So we also see this large shadow on the top of the candle, and the market interacted with the previous support area and resistance area at 1266, and we have been very strongly rejected from there, suggesting that there is good potential for a change of trend. Now that change of trend to the downside would be in line with the all time frames based on the Ichimoku charts being down. We are trading down below the cloud, so we have a bearish market in the long-term time frame. We're trading below the Kijun Sen, so bearish in the medium-term time frame, and trading below the Tenkan Sen, so bearish in that fast-term time frame. The Tenkan Sen is pointing flat. The price action has been attracted back towards there. This 1266 level may be the limit for that retracement, and we could see the sellers come back into the market and confirm what we've seen with today's trading, with the sellers taking control and the buyers losing commitment. We also saw the market find resistance at the Tenkan Sen, the green line here, the Ichimoku indicator, and there was strong rejection from there, and that is an indicator that may hold as resistance for today's trading, and that indicator is pointing down very sharply, reflecting now this solid downside momentum in that short-term time frame that we're seeing in this market. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, we're examining the relationship of this first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market's trending up, and here for the second consecutive day we've seen the market interacting with the 261.8% level at 1257 and being rejected from there solidly today. Previous day's trading we had bullish activity too there. The likelihood of a change of trend wasn't so great. It is much greater now for a change of trend back to the downside, so we're looking for a potential lower high and lower low. And in terms of the Fibonacci retracement of the prior downtrend that the market was in, today again for the second consecutive day, interaction with or just above the 38.2% level. Today we've seen the sellers come in, take control of the market, the buyers lose commitment above that level, and does set the market up for a potential change of trend in line with all of the time frames based on the Ichimoku charts. So basically what we're looking for here is a potential lower high and lower low. As I've already mentioned, 1237 is crucial to this market. If we do see strong bearish activity down there, we could quickly trade down to 1218. 1200 has potential to offer itself as very strong support. It's a round number, so it may limit the down move that we see if we do see that down move, and there aren't any guarantees of that happening, even though most of the indications are telling us that there is a good probability of that happening. Potentially strong resistance in this market at the moment as it's trading live around the 1250 level, and also very solid resistance at 1266 once again if the market does appreciate. But in line with all of the Ichimoku indicators being bearish, with the market trading below all of these indicators and the Chikou span being below the corresponding price action, it does suggest that this first time frame uptrend that the market has been is about to finish, and there is potential for a new first time frame downtrend below the 1237 level.